Plant yourself in the ultimate test of topiaries. Clipped. An all-new contest pitting the sharpest talent against the thorniest issues.
This looks really cheap.
We don't have time for it.
Get set and clip away.
With head judge Martha Stewart.
I expect sheer perfection.
It was an extraordinary work of art.
Here I am, making a topiary, and I'm talking to Martha Stewart.
Edward Scissorhands has nothing on these garden sculptors.
See, for me, the flowers are just inappropriate.
My heart just sunk.
The competition never stops growing.
Total change of plan. Rip all this off.
We can't beat you if you're not out here.
Find out who makes the cut.
And who gets clipped.
Clipped.